up, everybody? My name is Wally, the Crypto Hunter. I hope everyone is having a good day today. Today I'm gonna just take a look. Well, talk about in general the crypto market and everything that's going on. Hey, what's going on? Eddie Turner in the house. What's going on, bro? Smash that like button and subscribe. Eddie's a wise man, so if I was you, I will listen to him. Two things up. MK in the house. What's going on, brother? How are you? Two things that I wanted to point out. By the way, yes, I am wearing a MetaMonkey AI shirt. It was given to me as a gift. I am being sponsored by them. So definitely check out this project. I know that it looks kind of bad, and I get it. A lot of people is upset, but the good thing is that this is a legit project that, in my opinion, obviously not financial advice, but you might want to keep an eye out. Let me bring up the chart a little bigger over here. Eddie says, doing good today. I'm glad you are, my friend. I am glad you are. Uh, okay. All right. So I did this the other day, which is supposed to be the range where it's supposed to be trading on. Yeah, I know. It went all the way to the top, made it to about 67, right? And now we went all the way to the bottom and we are here. Now, when it went to the threes, as you can see, which is right here, it started going back up and had a nice support right around here. So now we see it trying to go back up. All right. Let's see who else is in the building. Bernie, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. Good to see you here. So this project, it's a like long-term hold for those that actually believe in it. Um, right now, Awesome Austin is actually in South Korea meeting up with the team, which he is part of the MetaMonkey AI. Well, not the team, but part at least of the marketing. Um, the other thing that I was gonna say, I read this article where it kind of gives us a little bit of a relief because this article right here, two things that I really want to point out, and crap, is back to Korean. Hold on, let me put it in English. There we go. Uh, nope, not Armenian. Where is just English? There you go, English. Translation. Why isn't it translating to English? I'm telling you, Google Translate really loves me, like for real. Okay, let me try again. Ah, there you go. So, two things that I wanted to point out. One is who is Dr. Kim, which he has years of experience working with AI technology and other things. Eddie, everybody's saying hello. Wendy, how are you? So the goal was establish a company where the research and technology development that I have accumulated over the past 20 years of teaching can blossom. That's one thing, right? The other thing, it was right around here where it says, so criteria, which is what they're doing, such as 3D sound, material, reflected light, 3D modeling, AI, and blockchain technology. But this is the interesting part right here. On July 29th, the ICT Convergence Specialization Research Center and NSLab.co Ltd signed a business agreement with MetaMonkey AI and Cognitgo CEO Augustine Gohill of the United States of the development of metaverse AI and NFT non-fungible token technology and joint use of the self-development platform. By signing the agreement, the company made a leap to become a global company. MetaMonkey AI is a company that provides AI technology solution for the metaverse platform, and ConnectGo is a company that develops technology to increase efficiency by applying NFT to various industries such as automobiles, healthcare, and service industry. Professor Kim plans to develop metaverse based AI and NFT technology using Creativia through the cooperation with MetaMonkey AI and Cognitgo. So, with that being said, I hope that that gives a little bit of relief to everyone that has actually invested in the project and is a little bit worried. I get it. It happens. We don't want to see the project that we invest in take a downturn like the way it did. But also remember that this is a very good project. I mean, that is new, brand new, about 3 to 4 weeks old. Is still a baby. The market cap is still small. So, with that being said, not financial advice, but just be patient. That's what I gotta say on that one. Doing good watching you. Laugh out loud. Tell Sonia I say hi. Wendy, I definitely will. But right now it's not here. She's at work currently. She gets out like around 5:30. But I'll make sure to say hello. Creator video. Hello. How are you? Thank you for being here. Okay. So just that, keep an eye on it. Friday we're gonna have a Twitter space with TX Tornado, and where Austin is gonna be talking to us about certain updates, or I'm not sure if he is gonna be there 100%, or if he's just gonna um just tell us the news, and then we will spread the word around. So that is it as far as MetaMonkey AI. And let's go to the next topic. What is going on with Bitcoin? Um, do, 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 do. Let me just open the chart here. BTC USD. You know, I know a lot of people still has hope that the crypto market is gonna turn around already. I wouldn't be too sure of it. So, like always, not financial advice. Do your own research, but please do be careful because you could find yourself in a situation where your money is going to get stuck. And unless you believe in certain project in the long run, then you won't be able to, well, kind of, you won't be able to withdraw your money, and you will have to wait whatever time in order for the crypto market to turn around. I always said it before, as long as we see the 2000 moving average, which is this red line right here, as long as we see it far away the way it is, it's not good to invest, just because the experience that I have in the market, it has always proven to me that when this line is all the way up here, it's only gonna do a mini relief rally, and then it's gonna drop right back down. New investors would FOMO in, and at the end of the day, will end up losing their money. Unless, like I said, if you're in it for the long haul, let's say you see a project that you really believe in, and you put your money in there, and you want to hold for the next year or two, more or less, then by all means, there's plenty of good projects out there, which today I'm gonna mention at least two that I am looking into. Wendy said the market is only going to get worse. Economy are collapsing worldwide. Exactly. You know, when you look at micro economy, it's looking bad, really bad. And some people do not understand that, and they want to run into FOMO, but it's not good. And then later on, they want to say crypto is a scam, crypto this, crypto that, but it's not a scam. You just didn't do your right research, and now you are stuck. But there's always one thing that I say: you don't lose unless you sell. And if you buy into anything, at least use a stop loss. You know, a lot of exchanges, they have a stop loss, stop limit loss, where you could set your stop. Let's say if a coin is worth $35 and it goes down to 34 or 30. So you could put your stop at around 33.50 if you don't want to lose that much, and your loss at $3. So automatically at 350 is gonna put in an order for it to sell. Obviously, if you're selling it at three, you're losing a little bit of profit, but at 33, but you are not gonna lose your whole investment. Probably lose like 5%, 10%. That's okay. Other than that, if you lose 80%, 50%, that's when it really hurts. There will be one last bear trap before the end of the year. They will flood the market and then sell off, causing FOMO. Watch out. I totally agree with you, Wendy. And the simple fact is because of elections, they might do something to make it look like everything is going to recover, and then once they catch everybody, the smaller investors are the one that always get hurt, because the smaller investors will be the one to FOMO in, while the big whales in the space, they will definitely run the minute they get the chance. If they got a little bit of profit, everybody's leaving. That's it. And I was just looking at this right here, a point of resistance, which La 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 la. Wait. Okay, let's say around the 22,212. So what does that mean? Usually there's going to be a lot of resistance on its way up, and don't get your hopes up too high. And that's just the best, well, not financial advice, but that's the best thing I can say. When I look at the monthly chart, that I look at this wide open the way it is, this signal tells me, which is on the MACD, that you better stay away from the market, from any investment. Now, once we see this, which is RSI, reach around 30 or below 30, that's you could buy if you want to, totally up to you, like I say. But this is going to be the problem. It's going to have a mini relief rally and then it's going to take another drop. So those are the signs that you got to watch out for. Those are the things you got to be careful with. And just as we saw right here, it opened towards the upside. It opened up nicely and it went up. The same thing happened here. It crossed and then bada bing, bada boom, as they say, it's dropping. Um, Let me see projects that I was looking into and I found interesting. This one was told to me by TX Tornado, which is a great friend of mine and a fellow YouTuber just like myself. Um, okay. So this is Loop Network, and I am just reading this line right here. The smart contract for following token contains variable task rate function. This opened the opportunity for contract owners to modify contract behavior. Oh, okay. This is a sign that usually comes out when the token is new. JP is in the house. What's going on, JP? Good to see you here. Um, all right, so let's read a little bit about this project. Super scalable blockchain power DeFi platform. Mainnet is already live. It has been Certic audited. It has been Tech Rate audited. It is on CoinMarketCap. It is on CoinGecko. It is on XT Exchange. It is on Bitmart, P2B2. And this one I do not know, so I am not going to pretend like I do. Um, I'm waiting to invest until after the crypto collapse. Hopefully, I'll be awake. Yeah, that will be the best chance, obviously, if you see a nice red candle just to make a quick profit. You might just want to do that. You see the red candle, it already touched the floor, and the possibility of turning around, then yeah, that would be the best time to invest for a quick profit. Chaka Crypto in the house. What's going on, brother? Chaka is another great friend of mine within the space. Check out his channel, Chaka Crypto. And he got the Chaka Burst, a lot of good content in there. Lately killing it with Meta Monkey AI content on TikTok, on YouTube. Man, I think that guy is everywhere. Um, Developed by Decentralization App, developed for Decentralization App, built Ethereum DApp with minimum configuration changes, no need to rewire or reconfigure your smart contract. They'll work right away. Use Ethereum based tools you love like MetaMask, Remix, Hardhat, Waffle. These are some weird mass wallet names. And Tuffle. Support for Solidity, Viper, and anything that compiles to EVM. Okay, so um, why we need more scaling? Scaling is not enough. While increasing their transaction throughput, blockchain must retain two fundamental properties of blockchain technology: decentralization, security. This is usually called a blockchain trilemma. We develop blockchain with advanced consensus PBFT that can solve these problems. DeFi ecosystem. DeFi is an open and global financial system built for the internet age, an alternative to a system that up, up, a peak tightly controlled and held together by decades old infrastructure and processes. It gives you control and visibility over your money. It gives you exposure to global market, an alternative to your local currency or banking option. Wendy says, been picking up NFT that I think are a steal. That's actually a good thing, Wendy. Smart contract are the fundamental building blocks of EVM application. There are computer programs stored on the blockchain that allows us to convert traditional contract into digital parallel smart contract are very logical following, and if this then that structure, this means they behave exactly as programmed and cannot be changed. Programmable money. This sounds odd. Why would I want to program my money? Anyone can program logic into payment. You can get the control and security of Bitcoin mixed with the service provided by financial institution. Do things with cryptocurrency that you can do with Bitcoin, like lending, borrowing, scheduling payments, investing in index funds, and more. Legal alien in the house. By the way, guys, check out my brother, my little brother from another mother, Legal Alien. He is back, and like always, with good content and a positive attitude. Give him a follow. Another great friend in the space, Crypto Launch. What is up, What Squad? Crypto Launch, guys. It's an amazing person, also a good friend, great YouTuber, great content. So give him a like and a follow. John Crispala, what up, Waddy? What up, John? John Crispala, I'm waiting for him to actually get his channel, but he's another great person in the space, another great friend. And the Panda Project, which is the other project I will talk about after these. All right, Crypto Launch said the market will recover, guys. This is actually the best time to pick up some of those blue chip crypto at a real discount. I agree with you, Crypto Launch. What up, peeps? Much love, Wadi. Likewise, brother. John Crispala. What up, Wadi? G-Man in the house. What's going on, bro? Sub Legal, Sub Chaka, Crypto Launch. AO, JP, everybody saying hello, hello. I love to see a very united community and supportive of one another. And I apologize if you hear any racking in the background, but my mother's in the kitchen. All right, so build with your hand. Loop network development standards are focused on token interfaces. These standards help ensure smart contract remain composable so for instance, when a new project issues a token, that it remain compatible with existing decentralized exchange built ERC20 standard, built ERC 721 standard, which is NFT, built upgradable proxy contract. This is the roadmap, which we're already on Q3. Everything is kind of done. Um, Bridge acid between chain. Loop network is EVM compatible. Means you can swap bridge loop asset to another EVM. It says build your dApp. So, like always, do your own research. If you want to read more into it, and it might be something worth looking at or worth investing in, for the simple fact that one thing that it is not here is that the loop network speed and transaction is actually faster than Bigert and B-Rise. B-Rise is the next token I want to talk about because a lot of people is really sleeping on it. Let me bring it up here. What did I do? All right, what am I looking for? Legal Alien. What up, John Crispala? Legal Alien. Okay. Bigert. And by the way, I know, John, I was supposed to start doing the video things, the short ones, but I will soon. I will. If you guys see me go live all of a suddenly, I am working on a quick video, but I don't want to do it pre-recorded because it's a thing in the rear, and you won't get the information as soon as I want you guys to get it. So I'm gonna do like 15, 20 minutes quick videos and then just cut it there. Hopefully also help me grow within the space, get more audience, give you guys more information about certain projects that I'm looking at. All right, so build with bigger chain, fastest and lowest fee, secure and scalable blockchain ecosystem. It says join the faster growing ecosystem. Bigger is a crypto engineering organization that has built a super fast blockchain which has 100,000 transaction per second and has zero cost gas fee. The fastest growing ecosystem where project is planning DeFi, NFT, Web3, and much more. Bigger also has development a BRC20, ERC20, BEP20 supported wallet on Android, which I'm gonna go check it out because I haven't checked it out myself. Uh, Crypto Latina in the house. Hello, hello. Also, check out her content, her YouTube channel. Great person. Actually met her in the well, talked to her in a space today where she was talking about mental health, forgiveness, great person overall, and she also knows a lot about crypto. So give her a like and a follow, subscribe to her channel, show some love, tell her that the Watt Squad sent her. Hey Waddy, how's it going? Gumpy Kiwi in the house, what's going on? Do it, Waddy. Thank you, thank you. All right, so like I was saying, the zero cost gas fee blockchain, Bigger Chain, is the only blockchain which has managed to build a zero cost blockchain, and gas fee are as low as 0.000001 per transaction, plus 100 million transaction with just $1 worth of B rise. Do you guys hear that? You could do up to 100 million transaction, and the total amount that will cost you will be $1. So this is the cheapest blockchain network there is out there. Um, Thank you. Well, you and your wife are amazing. Just subscribe. Love the energy here. Thank you, Crypto Latina. I appreciate that. I already subscribed to you. When was it? When I saw you doing the talking with Alpha Male. I'm actually a friend of his too. So keep doing your thing. You're doing great, and keep moving forward no matter what. And in case you was wondering, this is kind of partial my disability, but like I said, move forward no matter what. Gumpy Kiwi, what's up, bud? Haven't seen ya in a minute. How you been? Hey, John. Yeah, I've been good, bro. All right. So, like I always say, guys, do and ladies, uh, do your own research, but definitely look into bigger. I feel like this is a great project that in the future, I mean, think about it this way. Those who know B Chain was around the same price or a little bit more as Bigger is now. Now, Bigger, I mean, B Chain had its own blockchain, it has its own, what is it? Well, it has a lot going on for them. I cannot go through everything right now. Its own NFT, its own stable dollar is called VUSD, and it's getting places. A lot of big companies is actually partnered up with um, BChain. So what I'm saying, we saw what happened with BNB. We saw what happened with Stellar. We saw what happened with XRP, and they're all very, very good blockchains and very good tokens overall. So, what do I see in Bigger? Way faster than all of them put together. And Loop Network is supposed to be faster too. And that's what I'm saying. When you start early in a project, that is the best bet. That is when millionaires are really made, because you started in the very beginning. You're not waiting for the project to hit 3 billion, well, let's say 5 billion, 21 billion market cap. If you start when Bigger is actually around the 5 billion, or let's say millions, 100 million, and you know it's a good project, that's the best time for you to go in. By the way, thank you, Crypto Latina. I appreciate that. Welcome to the What Squad. Thank you, G Man. Glad to be here. All right. So, what else do you need to know about this project? I don't think there is much more, but the fact that it is its own blockchain, it has a lot of fast transaction, and the gas fee is basically zero. It got its own wallet, which is the bigger wallet. You can catch it on Android and on iPhone. Where can you trade this? This is another important thing. KuCoin already has it. So we're not talking about a meme coin. We're talking about a very solid project. KuCoin is one of the best exchange, the top five, if I remember correctly. And I just can't imagine when bigger actually makes it to Binance. So look at all these exchange that's supporting bigger. Gay.io, Huobi Global, KuCoin, LBank, MEXC, PancakeSwap, Bitmar. I don't know CEX, never heard of it. AAX, not really familiar with it. Second BTC, never heard of it. Biconomy, Bitforex, Bbox, La Token, IndoX, PancakeSwap, Citex, never heard of it. Femex, XT, and Bitwell. Now, it hasn't even made it to Binance yet. But imagine when it does make it to Binance and you are already a holder. Or imagine when it makes it to Coinbase and you're already a holder. So, like always, not financial advice. Just make sure you do your own research and take a look at it. Hey, Crypto Latina, just sub to your channel. Gumpy, I appreciate that, bro. So now let's talk a little bit about Pando Project, which my friend John Crispala, it's on it. Hold on, people. You see. There we go. So Pando token, it's another token that is doing good things, in my opinion. Obviously, we are only listed in one exchange, which is LBank. But let me tell you what's crazy about this project. One is basically a competitor to YouTube. You know, not saying you should leave YouTube for this app, but you could actually work with both of them. So us as content creator, if you start using Panda Project, you have there is already the app on Play Store. I also believe they have it for iPhone. And Panda Project is basically like a streaming platform where content creator will get paid for using it, for viewing, for creating, and I think that is awesome. They also have a Rematron, which I have one, where you can stay upon the project and make a nice income out of it um, every 30 days, if I remember correctly. Now, it does have its own blockchain and it just upgraded to version 2, which it's make it even faster than before. And what else? John, if you're still in the chat, bro, give me a hand here. This is your project. You know more about it, but it has so many things that literally it's hard to just put it everything in one little video. Um Okay, so obviously, totally decentralized. The Remontrons is what keeps every the streaming of the server to keep crystal clear, something that YouTube doesn't really have, and to keep the transaction smoothly. Okay, look, there we go. Content creator, video platform, Metatron, Setatron, and there's another Tron somewhere around there. But it's not from the Transformers, just in case. Um, these are the application. Pandojo is the app that they have in the beta version. They got the Tutor X coming up. They got the Pixel coming up. Show Us and Pando Go. So do your own research. Look at the PTX token and look at that app that you see right here. If you are a content creator, you might want to start your fan base now and earn for everything that you're doing. And you're going to earn it in PTX. So, thank you, Gumpy Kiwi. Appreciate it. So, basically, I'm actually gonna have John to come back on here for another AMA. Panda Project was one of the first project that I was promoting in the very beginning when I started my YouTube channel. So if you want more information, you can also go back to those videos where where me, John, and Edward were actually talking about the Panda project. Okay, so with that being said, everyone, I think I pretty much cover everything. If anybody has a question in the chat or want to say anything, please let me know now. Any concerns, I'll appreciate that. Hope you're good, mate. Oh, Crypto Demon in the house. Another great YouTuber in the space. Great friend of mine too. And I'm sorry to say, bro, but your kid kicks more ass than you. His son, which is Mini Demon, has been taking over his father YouTube space, and he has his own channel. They're both doing great, but no offense, Mini Demon is the man, bro. So if you can, please subscribe to both of them. Subscribe to Crypto Demon and also research Mini Demon. And if you want to get interviewed by Mini Demon, just shoot me a message and I will get the connection. So like that, he can continue to grow in the space. Correct me if I'm wrong, Demon, but Tyler is only 9 years old, correct? I'll wait for his answer. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Haha, cheer 9. Still gotta get Sonya on. Yeah, bro. Just let me know when, and I'll make sure I'll tie her down to the seat so she can actually do the interview. Okay. Hashtag What Squad. Appreciate that, legal. All right. So I think I am going to end the stream here. I usually like to do an hour, but I figure if there is nothing more to talk about, unless we just chill and talk whatever else is out there. Ah, well, here's a topic that we can talk about real quick. Crypto scams, people. You gotta be careful, especially with Telegram. You're gonna get a lot of links. You're gonna get links on Twitter. You're gonna get links from fake projects pretending to be the real project. So just be extra careful. Do not share your C phrase with nobody. Do not put your C phrase on a server. Like, for example, I'm an Android user, and at times we use the Notepad type of thing and Samsung Notes. So if we're logging into our Samsung Note, we're gonna be able to save our C phrases, but it's also saves onto the server. If that gets hacked or anything, our wallet is compromised. So do not do that to yourself. Not calling anybody lazy, but don't be lazy. Just grab a pen and a paper, write down your C phrases, and if you can, if you have a save or something, put it away. Another crypto scam that I know myself because I've been through it is some certain website that they're gonna tell you if you put $100 $1,000 in this website, we are going to multiply your income. If you bring people, your income will be returned to you even faster. Those type of website you might want to stay away from, because I actually did that a while back when I was younger, young and naive in a sense, young, new to crypto, didn't know jack about it. But somebody approached me and said, "Hey, look, since I know you don't work, here's a website that could help you. All you got to do is bring people in." I did that, got scammed. The team that I created got scammed. So, no. Luna, see what he gets it. Hey, Bleeps, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. I appreciate that. And guys, if you don't know Bleeps, definitely go check out his channel. Great content. Um, like Legal said earlier, he is always right. I am majority of the time, right? But I try to be at least. And yeah, great guy in the space. Um, so yeah, just be careful with the whole crypto scam thing because it can get a lot of people. Now, Luna C, let me see. Do I want to bring up that chart? Because the Luna C chart, I mean, it did a nice pump, but right now it looks like it is consolidating. Will it have another pump? Who knows? Why? Because I'm seeing it's still rumors, it's not confirmed, but I am seeing that probably Coinbase might list it. If it's true, then that will be great news. If it's not true, then we just gotta wait and see. So right now, it looks like it's about to go into a consolidation phase, and then from there, we just have to observe it to see if it's gonna pump or if it's gonna dump. Binance, on the other hand, announced that they will support the burn, and that was some good news that everybody was waiting for. Now, the star chart SI, on the other hand, worries me because it has been high up for a good minute right now. So you see, usually it goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down. That's a normal RSI or star chart SI. See, like that one. But the fact that it has been up there the way it is, I don't know. I'm a little scared about it. But yeah, uh, what's good, brother? Appreciate that. Believe so you're good. All good. So yeah, guys. Just be careful. Wow. And I just realized I probably wasn't even sharing the whole Luna C chart. All right, that's my bad. Yeah, let me open this up here. Okay, there we go. So what this is telling me right here that usually it will go into a consolidation, which the Bollinger Band will close up nicely, and then from there we'll see what happens. But what this is telling me is that I mean, it don't have enough strength like to take a huge dump, but it doesn't have enough strength to go back up either. The RSI, on the other hand, which this is the 4 hour chart, the RSI, on the other hand, is pretty neutral, which means it could go either way. And the star chart RSI is telling me that it's trying to take a dive towards the bottom. Believes crypto sub brother legal my top G still training Muay Thai. Wait. Who does Muay Thai? Muay Thai. But uh, you know which one? I ju ju ju, not jujitsu. That's from freaking um. Jujitsu is from Naruto. Judo, or ah, I'll look it up and I'll send you a text, bro. But that one, you really don't have to use strength. You actually use your body again, or the person body against them. I think it is called judo. So, but with that being said, hold on, waiting for the pump like everyone else. I believe so. What is your thoughts? You think Luna C is gonna pump? Hold on, girls. Give me a second. Let me go open the door. Uh, I am live. Open it. Open it. Dad. I am live, baby. Hold on. The elevator on our stomach stop is slam hard. You have the elevator? Yeah. Okay. It slams really hard. And why you decided to sit right there? Okay. Hold on, girls. Give me 5 minutes. Oh. So what I was saying earlier is on the star chart side, what worries me about Luna C is that you see how it has been way overstanding on the star chart side. That is not normal. So if this drops from here, we're gonna see a nice dump. But we shall see. But I do like the fact that this moving average is getting closer and closer, which should cause a nice consolidation. And then from there, if we break up towards the upside, we should see a real nice pump. Now, can the 10 cents dream be possible? Maybe within time, no time soon. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't think that unless they pump a lot of money into it, and I'm talking about billions, then I would say that Luna C will reach the dollar, the $2 mark. In the meantime, realistically speaking, I don't see it possible just yet. Limited, but I'm doing what I can. Bags at leaves. Well, all right, everyone. I am done for today. Thank you for being here. To all the YouTuber friends, thank you for the support. To all the followers and friends, thank you for the support too. And have a blessed one, everyone. Until next time.